Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Steam on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So just open your favorite browser and search for Steam download. And the first link which will appear here will be from steampowered.com, which is the official website for Steam. So I'm going to click on this website, and once I am inside this website, you will be able to see directly this download button for Windows operating system. So you just need to click on the install Steam button, and once this executable file is downloaded, you just need to click on this executable file and then click yes. And I'm going to minimize the browser, and here you just need to click on the next button. And here you can choose the preferred language. I will choose English, which is the default language. But if you want to choose any other language, you can choose from here. Just click next. This will be the location where Steam will be installed on your system. So if you don't have the good reason to change it, just leave it as default and just click on the install button. And it's that fast to install Steam on your Windows 10 operating system. So you can see this icon is also created on my Windows desktop, and you can see this checkbox is already checked. So when I click on finish, the Steam will launch on my Windows 10 operating system. Now at this point it's going to say downloading updates, so you need to wait for some time for those updates to finish. So now after some time I can see this window where I can create a new account or I can log in with my existing account. So I already have a Steam account, so I'm going to just log in with an existing account. And now I'm going to just click on login button. And once I click on the login button, the Steam app will open in few seconds on my Windows 10 operating system. So you can see the Steam app is starting. And now I can see that Steam app is started on my Windows 10 operating system. So here I can choose the free to play games, games for sales, and new releases. I will choose the free to play games option here. And in few seconds you will be able to see this list of free to play games. So here you can see different games. Dota 2 is here, and other popular free-to-play games are also here. So you can choose the game you want to play and then start playing that game on your Windows 10 operating system using Steam. So in this way you can download and install Steam on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.